Hi, I am Vineet and this is our core Java course and this is our third lecture. In this lecture we'll understand that how to install IDE. Let's see today's agenda. Today we'll understand what is IDE and how to download it and how to install it and how to run it. Then write our first Java program in IDE. Then we'll understand why developers use IDE, and finally we'll understand popular kinds of IDEs. Okay, what is IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment that enables programmers to consolidate the different aspects of writing a computer program. IDEs increases programmer productivity by combining common activities of writing software into a single application. Editor source code, building executables, and debugging. Editing source code. Write code is an important part of programming. We start with a blank file, write a new lines, codes, and a program is very war. It facilitates this process with features like syntax highlighting and autocomplete. Highlighting an IDE that knows the syntax of your language can provide visual case keywords, words that have a special meaning like class in Java and highlighted with different colors or highlighted by different colors. A normal text editor that can exist in writing software code with features such as syntax highlighting with visual case, providing language specifics, auto completing and checking for bugs. Code is being written local build automation, utilities that automate simple repeatable tasks as part of creating a local build of software for the use by the developers, like in computer source code into binary code, packaging binary code, and running automated tests. Debugger program for testing other programs that can graphically display the location of a bug in the original code. An IDE allows developers to start programming new applications quickly because the biggest benefits to using an IDE is that it allows you to code and run. Okay, how to download IDE. Okay, now we will download topmost IDEs. So the topmost IDEs available on the internet. First one is IntelliJ IDEA, and second is Eclipse, that's my favorite. Third one is NetBeans. Okay, now we will download. Open your browser and type ellipse download. Okay, and click on this link. I will provide this link in the description. A pop-up is so that this package was released on 4/11/2018. A newer package is available here. Click on here, and this is new package, and choose your operating system and click on download button and wait some time. Here downloading will be start automatically, and see this downloading started. Okay, now how to store it? Just go to downloads, so right click and click on extract files, and now I will go in the drive and will create a new folder developer. Okay, and click on OK. This file will be extracted. See this is developer directory. In this new directory is eclipse. Double click on this folder, so launch it. So double click on this, so when this pop-up will show you, so it's saying select a directory workspace, means where we want our projects. So I will go browse and I will go in the documents. In that documents I will create a new folder for the name core_java. So every project will be saved in here. Okay, let's see, use this as the default and do not ask again. If check it, then next time this pop-up note will be shown, and I will launch it. Yes. So after starting eclipse, this pop-up will be shown. So don't worry, simply click on this cross button and wait, and see this, here we can create a Java project. So now click on file, click on new, and click on Java project. So here I will create our first Java project in the Eclipse IDE. Name will be FIRS first underscore Java. Now I will click on next button. Simply you just give the name here and click on finish button. I will click on don't create. See this. Now I will right click on this and click on class. Now I will set the class name. So class name will be main class. So this is our main class. You can give the name by default, you can give the manually name here, anything, just this is and my project. So I will give the name here main. Okay, and New name here and click on finish. It is created by default. And now I will type MAIN and press Ctrl plus space and double click on this, and so I will press enter button. And now see this, the main method is created automatically. That's the beauty of ellipse. Here that's this is highlighting, and this is public static, and void is highlighting. It means ellipse saying that this is the Java keywords. Type SYSO and press Ctrl plus space and see this, it's typed automatically, and that's the beauty of ellipse. And now I will print here something, hello LT world. We can click on Ctrl plus S for save this. So I will press the Ctrl plus S. Now how to run it? We have lots of way for run this class. We can right click on main.java and we can click on Java application, and now it's running and see the output. So that's why every developer uses IDEs. So we have developers. I will press Ctrl plus S and now click on here, and now this is, so don't worry, you will understand everything one by one. You will understand what is public, what is class, what is static, what is void, and what is system .println, what is it means. You will be everything here, so don't worry. Now why do developers use IDEs? An IDE allows developers to start programming new applications quickly because multiple utilities don't need to be manually configured and integrated as part of the setup process. Developers also don't need to spend hours individually learning how to use different tools when every utility is responsive in the same workbench. Especially useful for onboarding new developers who can really on an IDE to get up to speed. In fact, most features of IDEs are meant to save time, like intelligent code completing and some popular kinds of IDEs. So IDEs very most powerful tools for developers. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye until the next video.